We as reactors, especially Jamaican, we need to stop the bullshit and the YouTube shit because it's only one time I can recall when Bay One Nation said if Knife Ninja ever tried to strike his YouTube channel, he's gonna destroy his Amazon wishlist. Said when I heard Rodney, I think it's Rodney Lifestyle came out and he was saying that we must stop it. We must stop it for true because we cannot be going around and threatening each other because even when Knife Ninja have striked the Bull channel, the Bull say no, where Knife Ninja live. So when I look into it, guys, we have to stop it. Because even when Knife Ninja strike the Bull channel, I'm saying to myself, Knife Ninja, I realize it. I don't tone, he make videos and all stuff. So sometimes when you hear me come out and talk like that, guys, I know how Jamaica run. So we have to stop the bullshit. Just come out and do content because even when I make a video about Knife Ninja, this is Knife Ninja, they say they're gonna report my channel, they're gonna sue me, they talk a lot of stuff about me. But I don't care. Even when I speak about even Kanta, they come off of me because sometimes these viewers, they does not listen. They does not listen and they does not watch the videos them to the end. Because even when I make a video about Alicia Kim, I was so mad. I was so mad because she was accusing Maki allegedly of stealing $200 and something because I read between the lines because I make videos about Alicia Kim. And they call me old woman. They call me old broke down woman. Me need clothes, me need all kind of stuff. But guess what? The more they talk is the more YouTube push your videos. So when somebody come out and talking negative, let them talk. Do not block them. Do not say yes. We have to stop the threatening too. We have to stop it. Don't go down that road, guys. It's not looking good as we as Jamaican reactors. No matter where we are all over the world, we have to stop it. Because a lot of you, my subscribers and my viewers, I make videos are talking about Nolan Wells. And you are not watching that video. You are not watching those videos that I made. And you Jamaican reactors, you need to start doing other videos, international. Because when I see that I did 3 videos speaking about Nolan Wells, nobody watching those videos. And those videos clock the views. It's right there. Some of you if you start doing international videos because you made the bag. Because when I saw some American reactors reacting off Nolan Wells videos, they're clocking it 200,000 views and one video. So you guys must stop bickering. Just stop bickering, man. Start to think deeper. We cannot be talking about Colors Me TV. Even if we talk about Colors Me TV, we clap the views. Colors Me TV is not telling us stop. What he was in Canada, I think. And Colors Me TV saying cannot stop us. He cannot stop us because we are reactors. But we need to start thinking out of the box how to make better money on the YouTube streets. Because when I did those 3 videos with Nolan Wells, you guys are not watching them. And I'm saying to myself, why are you guys not watching them? But you guys are going around threatening each other as reactors. We have to stop it. We have to stop it. We have to stop striking what Knife Ninja did and strike the Bull channel. I was so pissed off. I know the Bull come out and he beat you and make that money. But why you have to go down that road, Knife Ninja? You don't have to go down that road now. That's how they make a video of you, what you deceiving. Because when Dana British went out with that video, and Dana British was saying, oh, that blind man went through the door. It's only one of his eyes blind. One of his eye is blind, guys. And that man have him star. That man is trying something for himself. We cannot sit down and wait a Knife Ninja. Nobody can sit down and wait a Knife Ninja. Because Knife Ninja enjoy just begging. He begs and he gets. Said, I am not attacking Knife Ninja. I like Knife Ninja, but when Knife Ninja do bullshit, I have to come out and give my 2 cents. But we have to stop attacking reactors. We have to stop it, man. Stop striking content creator channel. Because I never like what Knife Ninja did. But I still watch Knife Ninja videos. I still support Knife Ninja because we are Jamaicans. So we have to stop the threatening. It's not gonna way. Because when I was watching Rodney Lifestyle a while ago, and he said somebody threatening, said they want to blow something in his head. Why are you guys threatening? We have to stop that. Come out and do contents. We don't have to do content about Ckery TV and Knife Ninja, you know, and Jamrock Radio. You know. We can go international now. It's there the money there. You see me? I am trying to go international now. Once from I investigate and I can put my 2 cents out there and start clocking that views. It's right there I want to go. I'm tired of talking about certain content creator. It is so stale. But I still put it out. I still do my 2 cents. Because right now I want to do a video about Alicia Kim. I watch Alicia Kim videos. I watch her ads because she's a black woman just like me. She might bullshit Mackie, but she's a woman. And I know she regret it now. Because when she stepped out of her marriage and gone and talked to another married man, that was wrong of her. But is that the way she want to go down that road? Said we as reactors, we have to stop our bullshit. Yes, man. And I'm going to repeat myself. Is one threat I saw Bay1 Nation put out and Knife Ninja. He said if Knife Ninja ever strike his channel, he's going to destroy his Amazon wish list. Said, I don't know if he went deeper. I don't know if Bay1 Nation went deeper with his threat. But you have to stop it. Come out and do contents. Come out and do our research and put our videos out there and clock that views. But don't come out and say you want to threaten somebody. We cannot do it. And we have to stop striking each other channel. Don't strike people channel. Because people have them bills to pay. No matter where we are in the world, we have our bills. Because I know this content creator, Sunshine, she get 2 strikes. And her second strike that she get, she said, it's Ckery TV. Strike her channel. Yes, guys. And I do not believe that one. No, I'm a little bit puzzled. When she come out and she said yes. I'm a little bit puzzled because I do not know Ckery as that person. I might have his surname, but I do not know him as that person. So we have to stop striking each other channel. He not go nowhere. We are here to make the bag. We are here to make the bag, man. So stop going around and tearing down each other for the algorithm to push your videos. Go international, man. Go international, man. Because in this week here, I'm going to do at least another 2 videos speaking about Nolan Wells. You Jamaicans, you need to step out of your comfort zone and go international. You guys need to start doing some videos about Nolan Wells and clock the view. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. Bye.